The 2013 Nissan Juke all-wheel drive with the 1.6 liter turbo. Everyone says you got to remove the motor to get to the turbo, and you definitely do not. Obviously, it's still in the vehicle. This is all your windshield wiper, motor assembly, airbox, just all the stuff to make your life easier. The hardest two bolts to get at are these two bolts right here. You can get through them underneath. You just gotta remove this heat shield off this exhaust manifold. Nobody tells you this, and you can't really find much online. Other than that, minus like an eighth of a turn at a time, you can break it loose with a stubby wrench. 14 millimeter stubby, 20 bucks, Harbor Freight, whole pack, works amazing. And a pry bar, and you can get it in through here and break them loose. And then you can just work them out with your 1/4 inch ratchet and a 14 millimeter on it. Takes a little bit of time, but it works. You guys got any questions, feel free to message me. I didn't do anything from underneath. This is the old heat shield down there. That was up here. That's about it. Other than that, you don't have to pull the motor for these things. You just gotta pull a wiper assembly